Artoonza.
Stop everything! This is not a drill! This pink cat paw is so adorable, you might just want to squeal into a glitter jar. Or meow. Trust me, I already did. Today, we're sketching with black markers, getting glitter everywhere, battling a dramatic little vacuum who thinks it's the star, splashing acrylic paint like we're scientists in an art lab, and painting it all with brushes like true feline fancy artists. Get ready, fluff your whiskers, and let's pounce into the cutest art project ever. Give us your like. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Pink? Let's color together.
Aw, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Don't be shy, color high. Color, color, color. Now that is a paw trait worthy of a royal kitty. Meowgical! I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.